everything's gone as of last week. And a week or two before that, my whole TransUnion was cleared out of anything that was on there. I would highly recommend, if you have not done so yet, please do, because I mean, I can't describe how excited it is to open up 3 or 4 different credit monitoring apps and see you're in the 700s, you know.
On Everything Credit, their company, in the sense of how the gentleman is helping everybody in any way he can. Has a back office where you can see whether if your credit score has changed or has stuff been removed. You can also see what stuff he has sent out, in the sense of letters, what he has sent out, and that he's actually doing the work for you. So give him a look on YouTube, Facebook, but it's David Payne, Everything Credit. His prices are pretty reasonable, better than all those other companies that basically did not do anything for certain people.
I know that might seem like a lot to most of you, but what
just give him a look. Check him out. He will do the work for you, and he'll do anything he can to get anything removed for you, as long as it's legal, of course, because everything is by the book and by the rules. That was Everything Credit, David Payne. Have a nice day, and you're out.